As you can see, the market is pulling back. Do I know what's going on? No. I think that Trump trying to get Fedman Powell to make some bigger interest rate cuts, do an emergency cut. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen. But right now, it's selling all. People not having faith in the market. They probably put their money in precious metals. Some people putting their money on the side. And at times, being that it's the end of the year, some people they take profits and they'll just sit out the rest of the year and wait for the beginning of the year. I mean, some big whales will do that also. But y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Remember, when people come in, say the whales want to come in now, they got to come in at these prices, which going to push the stock back up. So might want to take advantage of this dip. That's why you might hear me keep saying why you chose to use margin instead of my own money now, just for this reason. Take advantage of these dips, use other people's money to make money, called leveraging debt, like the rich do, and let the dividends just pay the money back, the cash balance back. Remember, when I get dividends, it go right back to my buying power, so it pays the money back, whatever I do use. That's why I don't worry about it. So even if I just got tired of investing, I can stop investing and the dividends automatically just pay it back for me. And I can come and check my account next year or whatever and see how much been paid back every week, every month or whatever. Anyway, y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also, urgent buys, anything. I'm going to go get FSK. Right now, I made a 52-week low. As you can see on the screen, it's a monthly paying high dividend ETF, taking advantage of this dip. That's why I tell you don't load up on nothing. It continues to come on down. Not buying no shares. Why I like Robinhood, you can get fractional shares. $3 worth of that at $14.92. I did have a buy order CHMI come in. CHMI Cherry Hill. I'm doing a swing trade on this one. It's at $2.50. Brought some shares today. I'm at $2.99 now. I want to bring down this average cost. It's got a high dividend yield. Paid dividends out 2.50. Give me another 5 shares. I brought like 50 shares, thinking it's gonna come down some more anyway. FLO, I brought fractional shares of this, buying $5 of this every day. Flowers Food. Today it's going up, but that don't mean nothing. Put a buy limit order in at $12.97. Made a new 52-week low today. OXSQ. People in the forums, they asking like why this keep coming down. It ain't just this stock, it's the whole market. So it is paying the 3.5 cents a share. Only got to worry about is the dividend cut. And you can see why. I mean, the stock coming down. I mean, people got to do what's best for the business, not personal. But remember, when you buying these high yield and double digit ETFs, especially like a 12% dividend yield or higher, this the stuff that comes with it. HRZN, I stopped buying my $5 a day, well, my 5 shares a day. Go fractional shares on this one here too. Don't know how long this market going to be down, but I'm gonna keep buying it. When they make the dividend cut or announce it, then I will adjust and just reinvest the dividends. That's how I operate. Then I just reinvest the dividends only. I won't put no new money into it. Or I see at $6.93, I might go get some fractional shares some more. I'm gonna see, but right now I'm just gonna trade ARR, so I can trade, buy something and cash up at the same time. This pays 24 cents a share a month. ORC pays this dividend, but stock before pays 12 cents a share a month. PSCC, Prospect Capital, $2.59, 4.5 cents a share a month. Remember, this is September also, so I gotta say, this is the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this the worst trade month of the year. 'Cause say this IVR. So buy $8 and under. This pulling on back. $9. PMT. Got ULTY down to 561 today. Go get a share of that. Go get some of that. I got an average call of 562, 561. So you pull back more, I get on it. But right now I just reinvest the dividends other places that pay out weekly. USOI on the tail, so above the $52 mark. So I'm telling y'all to take advantage when it's in the $51 range. I'm at 64.49. Need to get me 100 shares of that. Coney, take advantage of this one. I like this below the $7 range. It got down to 667 today. Well, 663 was the low. Also be a swing trade. This how I traded and lower my average cost. For y'all that got them $9 and them big high average costs, them $10, wherever you at, it's the time you go in. Go buy you 100 shares, hold it, and go sell it above the $7 mark. Lower your average cost. Buy it quick and sell it back. You're not doing it to make a lot of money. The reason you're doing it is to lower your average cost. It's the time you got to do it. One thing about a stock like this, a play like that, is you're going to get that dividend every month anyway. So, LYB, I'm giving y'all this one also. And you pull back, you better buy it. So I've been getting like $20 a day. I'm at $59.40 now. WEN Wendy's. It got down to what, $9.10. Another one when it decide to squeeze, I'm gonna get out of the food sector. So not really worrying about it. By 2027, I'm gonna have such a clean portfolio, it ain't gonna be funny. And I'm gonna get all that money back. YBIT pay out monthly. I only buy this at $10 and under. Two Harbors at $9.74 down to $9.73. I only buy this at 10 and under. So you gotta have your buy zone for stocks you like dealing with. LFT, Lumen Finance, gonna be another swing trade. Down to 208. I must not have got my shares yesterday at 20. I got a buy limit over that 208 and still didn't buy it. So I'm gonna replace this order. Get 20 shares at 208. Let's say this usually pays around the $2.50 mark. Your quick swing trade, lower your average cost. That's gonna be another REIT I'm gonna get rid of anyway. 964 MFA Financial. Buying dollars. And you lower your average cost from the long haul. Believe me, these fractional shares, they add up. PFLT is paid 10.2 cents a share a month. I only buy this at 10 and under. When it pulls on back, at $11. Like I said, this usually $11 stock. We usually play above the $11 mark. Got UPS. It's another one. I got some at $83.90. Put your buy order in if you're getting the whole share. Not get your fractional share. It's a buy and hold stock. DEO Liquor Company. If y'all want to get into the spirits, it's the time to get in. Only thing to stand out is the ADR fees. You got to pay fees for trading because this is an overseas stock. Out the country stock, 4.26% dividend yield you're going to get for holding shares, 52-week highs, $142.73. Remember, Trump got the tariff thing might be going on too, so got to put that into play. I'm going to get out of it because I don't like dealing with food, and people are drinking less. People more conscious about their health now. And the newer generation coming up, they chose marijuana over drinking, so they're not really drinking a lot. I read an article on that. Brown-Forman, this is another one you can buy. This is a United States company. You don't have to worry about the ADR fees. If you want to get in the spirit, 3.32% yield, 52-week high, 49.89. But if you want that growth, probably gonna be better with DEO. You can get both, but just when you sell it or get your dividends, they're just gonna withhold some of it with DEO, but you're gonna be able to write it off on your taxes. You can offset it there. IIPR, Innovation Industrial Properties, which is a REIT. When it got some of this, dividend yield 13.66%. P ratios of 12. This can come down some more. 52-week low, 45.44. I like it. I really want to get below that $51 mark, 51.48, so I can load up. And that's gonna be one I'm gonna get rid of too. It's a marijuana stock. They rent out, I think, warehouses to marijuana people. It's like a marijuana stock. GMRE, Global Medical REIT, getting beat up. I already got $10 a day. Portfolio down negative 22.47%. I got an average cost of $43.52. So got a 52-week low of $30.28. Market cap $651 million with a 52-week high of $49.90. 10.81% dividend yield. It's a nice dividend play. I'm gonna go get another $5 when I'm on here with y'all. One thing about dividends, man, when you, like I said, if you run out of money, just chill. Just don't watch your account for a month. Just to reinvest every month. Go check on the first every month once your dividends settle in, and just reinvest your dividends. I'm doing this because I know how to trade. I'm gonna trade myself out of stuff, and I'm being patient at the same old time. I got my buy zones, and I got my exit strategy. I slipped up on OPI. I should have set my stop loss, which I didn't. I forgot to do it. Probably had a lot going on for that week. Dealing with my daughter with softball and everything during the evenings. Be hard for me to get on here and trade. But it is what it is. Not making no excuses. That's why the stop loss. Same way I set my buy limits overnight. I should have did that. So I'm not worrying about it. Hopefully it go back up. Now that I keep it for the dividend until it does. Somebody will buy them out or merge with them. Dow 2332. $5 of that. I got knocked this shit down. I was at like $30, above $30. Average cost still 30.09. Still got some ways to come down. $20.40 was the low, and it was around 21. I should have loaded up, but you can't time the market, man. That's one thing about trading. All right, let's go check out Traps. Bank stocks doing good. Then the Magnificent 7, S&P 500 making new 52-week highs. But it is what it is. See Leggett and Platt. It's another one I need to be buying and selling. Let me start making my way doing this, building up something. If I go buy $150 worth at 905 and lower, it go to 974, I'ma sell it. Or if it go to 1032, I'ma sell it whenever it squeeze and rinse and repeat. Just to lower that average cost and to make a couple dollars. Get paid a little dividend while holding it till it does squeeze. Think another sleeper people sleeping on once they get all this lawsuit stuff out the way with is HE, Hawaiian Electric, which I'm up, but this gonna be another one that should go back probably around about $30. Especially if they announce they're gonna start paying a dividend again once they get all this stuff out. That thing they're gonna shoot up. It's gonna skyrocket. So y'all might want to be in the driver's seat when it starts. HE, Hawaiian Electric, 3160 for Comcast. Lowered my average calls on this one too. It's a 52-week low on this. Ain't 3103. All right, know what I got to do with that one, because that's another one I'm going to exit out of. I know I got almost $1,000 in it. Got a 52-week high of 45.31. Make my exit out of there too. Gladstone land like that at 9 and under. CHCT, another one I need. Yep, coming on down. Got to get me a half a share every day, $8. I'm at 18.52. Dividend yield 12.38%. Dividend play. That's income. Brandywine's another income play. It's at 449. I wanted to come down. Got a 52-week low of 341. At least let it get around the $4 mark. I just keep it for the dividend for now. ABR, another REIT, 1186, 1204. Not bothering that. Care Trust REIT, just want to check this out. 3430. Oh yeah. I'm up in this one. So not gonna bother that. 3.6% yield, 52-week high, 3508. I actually can take some of this position. I can actually close it out, to be honest, and I'd be fine with that. I ain't got but 3 shares. But they got this as a buy still. What's the PE ratio? 28.97. With that CTRE, I'm gonna go check that back out. I can take my money and run on that one. I can put this in a dividend play. Matter of fact, the price we at now, 34.30. Got that. Like I said, I was up too much in it. I got an average call 1785 at $35. Got those shares. I'm about to sell the rest. Right now, fractional shares. Got rid of the rest of that. Position closed. That's it. I can put that into like a ULTY and get me some weekly dividends on that. Got Postal. That's how you do it. 1579, 1507. Game and Leisure. GLPI. 46. I'm at 44. Like I said, there's so many options out there for REITs and stuff, man. Healthcare REIT, 1782. I'm at 1633. This 52-week low. I need to buy some DISO, diesel. This up today. It's Disney. Nice buy at 13 and under. Let's get a little bit of it. XOMO the same way. I need to come down in this one. All right, got FSK. Glad I got why bid about to shoot back past the $10 mark. I got the buy order in, so I ain't tripping on that. IWMY options on the Russell 2000. It's a weekly play here. XDDD, TE, QDTE, ain't worry about none of that. 50, 46, 49, at 44. DEA was another one, 22. Trying to get some of this also. I'm buying DEA, nice dividend yield, dividend play. See right here, market cap 1.04 billion, 9.66% yield. Got a 52-week high, 36.31. And we got game GMR today. That's our biggest loser for the day. That's fine. I'm gonna get another $5 worth while it's down. That'll be $20 for the day. Need to bring that average cost down. All right, that's it. Y'all stay safe out there. Signing off. Go get your money.